test how much the van will hold total. $29 gallons.
Wow. 57.50. Oh my god. That's a lot.
It's like a 30-something gallon tank.
Here you can.
What are you doing?
Video.
Huh?
Where are we going?
I mean, we're here at Walmart, so we might as well go check.
Going to check some clearance. That's all we're doing. Everywhere we go to Walmart. How many miles you got?
Oh man, it just turned over. You know, we drive a lot of in the pickup truck. Almost what? When is the year?
2020?
Oh no, what year? I mean, what month did we?
May.
May. So May will be 1 year. Of course, this is like still
January.
So it's still a little bit, but we just turned 3,501 miles. Yep, 3,000. When she started, it was at 3,500 miles. That's all we got. Because we never drive it.
Meanwhile.
Hi guys, welcome to our room. So just want to show you the hotel that we're staying here tonight. So we're here in Best Western. It is, he said that it's newly renovated and pretty nice room. So let's go to the bedroom. Wow, they got a couch, a king bed with a big TV. Swing that. No.
You can't even move it
Oh no.
to face that direction.
It's a bed, so comfy. Some alarm clock. And I like this one rolling, not a curtain. So this is what it look like, and here's our van over there, guys. That's our van. Wear it. At least our baby can rest tonight. So we're close to DoubleTree Hotel. It's a little bit expensive there, so we don't want to stay there and spend money on that. But anyway, we're a member of Best Western, so we get a good deal. So if you're staying here in Bentonville area, so this is highly recommended hotel. As you can see, look fancy, right, baby? What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? It's a new.
Looks better than Choice Hotels.
Yeah. Oh wow, I like this one. I like this. Very nice. Nice TV. But the problem is the TV is there and the bed is here. So better, I guess, you need to watch there.
day that we met again.
Guys, where we are?
Springfield, Missouri.
So we drove all the way here just to buy food. Joke. So we're going to stay in the hotel again here in Western. I don't know where is it. So we got lots of food here in Springfield, Missouri. I guess it's 1 hour from Branson. Right, baby? 1 hour in Branson.
I don't think it's not an hour.
The VIB. Anara, there you go. That's our hotel. This one. I give you a tour here, guys, because in their website, they're really nice hotel.
VIP.
VIP. Oh, lots of people here. Oh, look at that.
there is.
Whoa, they got a food there downstairs too. Wow, look at the hotel. Wow, they got a bar.
Check-in.
Nice. It's a brand new hotel. Oh, you can charge your Tesla card. Oh.
Third floor. Only Best Western like this in the whole United States.
Wow.
It's a prototype, and but he said something about that they had some in the workings to add more. And like I said, it's very unique. Third floor.
Third floor. Oh wow.
305. 305. Oh, 305.
Oh my, that's a glass. Wow.
Oh my. Yeah, I guess, yeah, you don't,
It's the shower. That's so unique.
wow. Velvet rope. Body wash. Oh, look.
Oh wow.
It's got, because I'm like going, well, why is it saying that? Because I thought it was the same, but no, it's got a rainfall shower.
Wow.
Yeah, I wouldn't have known that. I didn't see it. I'm like going, oh, that I thought that kind of, I was like, oh, that
Oh,
sucks
yeah.
to be standing in front of that little wand.